YouTube, Basic Truck here. We've got another special guest who's come over. Picked out a Lego set. What do we have? We picked out a 60147. What's this one called? Speedboat or something? Fishing boat. Completely wrong. Is that the one you picked out? What's your name?
Callan.
Why are you looking at me? I know your name. Tell those people.
Callan.
This is Callan. He's occasionally watched one of my videos. Right? You don't watch them all though, do you? Why not?
Because I can't get onto it.
Oh,
and,
your
I keep forgetting to log to try and get to it.
Oh, your parents don't let you get on the computer? They don't let you get on tablet?
I can get on tablet.
Do they lock out YouTube?
No, they still want me to use YouTube.
Then why don't you watch my videos?
Because I forget.
Alright, I'll write it down. And then you can go home and subscribe and hit the notification bell, right? Then you'll get notifications when all my videos post.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. So, we're going to open up the fishing boat. He's going to build it. He's going to have a little help from Joe here, if he needs it. You know how this goes. And then he's going to tell us all about his building experience. So, let's switch to the time lapse. Okay, well, we're back. We had some technical difficulties here. For some reason, the time lapse stopped. I don't know why. I'll figure that out later. So we have no time lapse. But it's built. I'm sorry. We're going to talk about it. So what do you think of this boat? The fishing boat.
My favorite part of the boat is it's like a real boat.
It's a real boat? Yeah. It's a real boat. It's got a radar, everything. What'd you think about it, buddy?
I like this. It can go down.
You like the motors? The outboards go up and down?
And it goes boom, boom.
Yeah? So what was the most difficult part for you? Was it a big set for you?
Yeah.
Should you have picked a smaller set?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, so what was the hardest part? Or was it just kind of hard?
It was
How old are you?
6.5.
6. Oh, it says 5 to 12. Okay. So what was hard? All of it?
Yeah.
Yeah, all of it. We should have picked, maybe you should have did that little poly bag or something.
But I did some of it.
Yeah, you did some. You had some help, didn't you?
I did most of it.
That's alright. Sometimes you need some help. That's okay. So should people pick this set up? Is it a good set?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like boats? Yeah. Why are you looking at me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Anything you want to say, buddy?
No.
No? Nothing? Alright. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one. Hopefully we won't have technical difficulties. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Don't subscribe.
Don't subscribe.
Subscribe.
Subscribe or don't subscribe?
Don't subscribe.
Don't subscribe. Subscribe. I don't know if you pick.
Don't
Catch you later.
subscribe. Don't subscribe. Don't subscribe. Don't subscribe at all. Yes, unsubscribe.
Thanks for watching. Throw a comment down below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.